Hello, I'm in a 2013 Dodge Dart, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side, you'll go down, and you should see like a lever like this with a little resistance. So you pull that, usually hear a little like pop. So now it's unlatched, and so the back side, so you can see what it looks like. It's connected to this cable with a little tension. If for some reason that's not attached or it's incredibly loose, you might need to go in and find a way to tighten it up, reattach it. Alright, so now we'll go to the front. And come around. Most vehicles, there's a latch kind of around the middle. Which in this one, yep, it's right here. So we'll push left and pull up. So left and up. So it was hooked on that with this. So this little unhook here, if they're having issues with that, might need some like WD-40, maybe just readjust it a little if it's not centered right, or these parts aren't so expensive to replace if needed. But otherwise, I hope that was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.